Have you ever felt like you were thrown into a situation that felt out of your league? Imagine this. You are a star at law or coding. You have spent years sharpening your skills, and suddenly your manager offers you a promotion. You get to paint a masterpiece for the lobby downstairs. But all you have in your arsenal are two brushes and perhaps a Bob Ross video you watched a year ago. Sounds challenging, right? Yet, this is exactly what we do to people that step into a leadership role. We expect them to shine, but we don't give them the right training or toolkit. Leadership is an entirely different animal compared to the technical skills we go to school or university for years. And good leadership development takes consistency and it takes dedication. It takes continued learning, practice, and support. If you understand this as a leader, you make your job much easier. You reduce stress, you make your life and your team's life more fun, and you boost the team's performance. And for companies, it's a win win as well. Leaders, teams, company culture, everything, results, profits, everything benefits from leadership development. I've been fascinated by the science behind leadership for the last years. And if you are in the first years of managing a team, I want to use my insights, experience, knowledge to support you and help you get set up for a successful career. So, what do you think? Is leadership something you are born with, or is it something you develop over time? Let me know what you think.